In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Sheets to Gmail automation in Activepieces. We'll be building a simple flow that watches for a new row in a Google Sheet and then automatically sends an email through Gmail. This is a great setup if you want to automate outreach, confirmations, notifications, or any repetitive email task without having to send each message manually. First, open Activepieces in Chrome by going to cloud.activepieces.com and then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, we can start creating the automation. Click the New Flow button to create a fresh workflow. For the flow name, enter Sheets to Gmail, so it's easy to recognize later. Then choose the option to start from scratch. This gives you a blank flow where we can build everything step by step. Now it's time to add the trigger. Search for Google Sheets and select it. For the trigger type, choose New Row Added. This means the flow will start automatically every time a new row appears in your selected sheet. If your Google account isn't connected yet, click Connect Account, sign in with Google, and allow the requested permissions. After that, choose the correct spreadsheet and the specific sheet you want Activepieces to watch, then save the trigger settings. Make sure you select the exact sheet where new data will be added, because that's what activates the automation. Next, add the action that sends the email. Click Add step below the Google Sheets trigger, search for Gmail, and select the Send Email action. Just like before, connect your Gmail account if needed by signing in and allowing permissions. Once the connection is complete, you'll be ready to configure the email itself. In the To field, insert the variable that matches the email address coming from the Google Sheets row. This tells Activepieces to send the message to the address listed in each new row. For the subject line, you can either type a fixed subject or personalize it by inserting a value such as the name field from the sheet. Then write the email body and use placeholders like the name variable wherever you want the message to feel more personal. This is especially useful if you want each email to look customized while still being fully automated. When everything looks good, save the step. Finally, click Enable in the top right corner to turn the flow on. To test it, add a new row to your Google Sheet. Once that row is added, the flow should run automatically, and the email will be sent through Gmail. That's it. Your Sheets to Gmail automation is now live and ready to work for you.